That's awesome. I must agree, that is awesome. Whoa! Caught it! Oh. The spring just, ow! That hurt when I caught it. Hi, it's Camaro time. We're missing something. I don't know what it could be. Something. Oh, there it is. Yeah, we got the whole thing down. You can really see where it's smashed up and stuff. And so we have the new one over there, and we are going to put it, all the non-bent up stuff, which is over there, onto here. Well, onto there, after we move all this stuff over. Anyway, so the Passat that had the issues that wouldn't do anything, when we looked into it, the transmission computer got hit, broke the connector, they rewired it, somebody had rewired it, they got 2 wires backwards, and ironically it was the computer communication lines, so it was ruining communications. As soon as we swap the wires where they go, runs fine. So check your wiring diagrams when you put crap together. But other than that, we're going to be working on this probably the rest of the day. I can't imagine, I mean, I could imagine finishing it before the end of the day, but we'll get this back up in there and all transferred over to here. I just finished eating lunch, so, and there's the lovely stream people that is there. So thanks, and there's over here. Then I'll check. Ah, for sake. Shut up. Sorry. I was reaching over to get the key and I hit the horn. I was doing the key with 2 hands. Or 2 fingers, not 2 hands.